In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to upload and insert an image onto your web page using OU Educate. First, let's talk about image files. Images to be displayed on the web need to be edited. Photos taken with a camera or a cell phone tend to contain millions of pixels and can be many megabytes in size. These images must be resized to fit on screen, which will significantly reduce the file size. As a general rule, you want them to be less than 150 kilobytes. Now, when large unedited images are uploaded to your website and inserted onto a web page, they can be rescaled and appear to have smaller dimensions. But this does not reduce the file size, and visitors to your site will be downloading many megabytes worth of data to display those images. If you do not use a program like Adobe Photoshop to optimize images for the web, here are some free online resources. ResizeYourImage.com lets you easily upload an image, resize it, crop, and rotate your image before saving it back to your computer. For more options, I recommend WebResizer.com. Here you can customize the specific size of your image in pixels, crop and rotate, even sharpen, adjust the contrast, and set the compression quality of the final image before saving. As a rule, images to be inserted into the ECC faculty web page template should have a maximum width of 525 pixels and should be no more than 500 pixels wide for the Compton Center template. When saving your edited image files, make sure to use a web-appropriate file name with no spaces or special characters. For images downloaded from elsewhere on the internet, you must have permission to use them on your web page, or they must be royalty-free clip art or stock images. Now let's upload your optimized image files into OU Educate. Open your web browser and log in to OU Educate. There, click the File Manager tab at the top of the window. You should see a folder called Images that we created in class. This is where you'll want to upload your image files. Click to open up the Images folder, then click the Upload File button. On the left next to File 1, click the Browse button and browse for the first file that you wish to upload. Select it, then click Open. Next to File 2, and so on. Repeat these steps for each image that you wish to upload. When finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Upload File button. You will see a message telling you that your files were successfully uploaded. We are now ready to insert those images onto our web page. Click back on the Page Editor tab. In the left frame, locate the HTML page on which you'd like to insert your images, then click on the file name to open it in the WYSIWYG editor. On your page, click in the area where you'd like to insert your image. Then click the Insert Edit Image button in the toolbar. In the Image Manager window, click the icon to browse. Browse for your file by clicking on the Images folder. Click on the image file to select it, and then click the very hard to see Select File button. It's white text on a beige background, but I assure you it's there. Next, in the box for image description, type a short description of your image. This cannot be left blank. Then click the Insert button. Repeat these steps for each image that you wish to insert. You may also change how the image interacts with other elements of your page using the same Insert/Edit Image tool. Click on the image you wish to edit, then click the Insert Image tool again. In the Image Manager, click on the Appearance tab. Here you can set the alignment, the dimensions, the space above and below your image, the space to the sides of your image, even specify a border. When finished, Click the Update button to view your results. Then, click the Save button in the toolbar to save your changes. And you're done! To see your changes online, click the option to view page in a new window. You may have to hit the Refresh button in the toolbar to see your most recent changes. And that's it. Enjoy!